Preparing for a lunar odyssey, testing the SpaceX Starship elevator. A new era of space exploration is on the horizon. NASA astronauts are pioneering this cosmic adventure with SpaceX's Starship. In the heart of SpaceX's Texas testing facility, a critical element is under scrutiny: the Starship elevator. This isn't your average lift. This technological marvel is designed to withstand the harsh realities of space travel. It will ferry astronauts from the spaceship to the moon's surface, bridging the final distance of our celestial journey. Astronauts have been rigorously testing the system, ensuring it can handle the demands of lunar landings. Each trial brings us a step closer to the moon. Their feedback will guide the development of this crucial piece of technology. This is a symbiosis of human experience and cutting-edge engineering, shaping the future of space travel. With every success, we inch closer to a new lunar age. The SpaceX Starship elevator isn't just a ride, it's the gateway to a new frontier.